What is marketing automation?
Marketing automation is many things, but what I believe is it's a part of a movement towards a more orchestrated customer experience across all channels, whereas traditional marketing is in many terms a more burst-focused campaign strategy or focus, and I believe that's the main shift in marketing automation and what it means. It's also a way of activating customer engagement in your marketing mix and being able to utilize it and utilize the data that the customer generates and on the digital channels. So it's a way of looking more holistic on marketing. That's the movement, and marketing automation is a tool enabling that movement.
And how does marketing automation enable that movement? What does it do?
Well, marketing automation is basically a set of tools that enables you to listen to what does the customer do, gathers the data, enables you to analyze it, to activate it, and to include it in the marketing communication. And it's also a basic scheduler in many terms. It's a way of looking at fixed dates, for instance, birth dates, last date of purchase, all these kinds of dates that usually sits in the data that we have available as a company or as a customer. And marketing automation enables you to on an individual base to use these dates to include all the data and the engagement you have from the customer and give them a personalized, relevant and highly segmented message.
So can you come up with an example of marketing automation versus traditional marketing? What's the difference?
Well, I believe the difference is in for instance, if you look at well, if you look at a classic TV ad, it's a mass communication. It tries to fit everyone, or at least everyone within your target group, as a classic marketing example. Whereas a marketing automation is a way of maybe giving the same message, but give the message to the customer at the device they prefer, whether that's online, whether it's on your mobile phone. And enables you to give it at the right time, whether it's when you sit in your couch at home, in the train in the morning, during the day, whatever fits you, suits you in terms of when you want to engage with a certain company.